Alright. We're on a mission. We're on a mission, people. Oh. Oh, I got this too. Isn't that cute? Say it. Good. This is the kind of floor I want. So my hair. I'm gonna have black hair later. Bam! There's a Pookie. Pookie. Show them our new floor. I'm gonna have. Can you see that? They're Pookie treats. Are they Pookie treats?
Yeah, she's throws them at me.
They're Pookie treats.
One at a time.
I did not throw anything at you. Don't lie. Don't I, Blondie? Don't I?
Happy birthday, Pookie.
No. Thank you.
Just don't throw gummy bears at me anymore.
I didn't. They're not gummy bears.
Well, what the fuck's that shit all over the floor?
Those
They're
are
gummy
like,
strawberries or something.
there's some awesome little candies.
I buy them at 11, you throw them at me like that. Fuck, that's rude. That's just fucking rude.
No! They're lovely. I want my floor in my new house.
I want
to look.
in my new house.
Oh, I got new booties too. Check it out.
Want some head with that? You want some head with that beer? You want some head with that beer or not?
Excuse me, sir?
Would you like some head with that beer? Well, smells like clam.
Ew.
Smells like a shit out of store out the fucking tuna boat, so it must be fucking.
Well, you would know.
Sounds like fun to me.
You'd know.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna be a brunette.
Cold pizza and beer.
Ooh. No. Are you drinking beer now? Who drinks Weissers, yo? Just saying. Get up.
You got cold pizza and beer. You don't touch my fucking wisers.
Thanks for stopping by.
I kill you.
Whee!